Why email marketing is key to success for most online businesses. Over 30% of their website traffic consists of returning visitors. But the reality of website traffic is that most people who visit your website or online store new visitors who will never visit again unless you do something to keep them coming back. Building an email list helps you get around this issue and retain more of the traffic. You work so hard to earn that when it comes time to have a sales conversation and drive conversions. There's one channel that continues to outperform the rest. Good old-fashioned email is so much more than just another way to throw your company name before customers. It's a way to connect with people, develop their trust, and present the value of your business and products. And that's what sets email marketing apart from traditional advertising. Instead of just telling consumers about your company and hoping they'll make a purchase, you're making real connections with those who are truly interested in your business and building long-lasting trust. According to recent research, the return on investment of email marketing is $40 for every dollar spent. 70% of people would rather receive promotional material by email and social media. 38% of people say receiving special offers is the top reason they subscribe to an email list. Consumers who purchase products through email spend 138% more than those who don't receive email off, as 80% of retail professionals indicate that email marketing is the greatest driver of customer retention. In other words, if your business hasn't taken the time to adopt email marketing, then you're leaving money on the table. And if these stats don't convince you, here are a few more reasons you should be building your email list. Email is an easy way to reach customers. One reason email marketing has value for business owners is that it's an easy way to start reaching consumers without investing a lot in new technology or software. According to a recent report, over 50% of U.S. cell phone owners access the emails from their phones. A recent study found that 42% of retailers' email messages were opened by consumers on their smartphones, and 17% were opened on tablets. It's an effective way to keep customers informed. Email marketing isn't something marketers do just because they can, and it's easy. The tactic is very effective at helping business owners and consumers stay connected. Consumers often seek out email marketing campaigns from their favorite brands and local stores. This goes beyond coupons. A study from Loyalty 360 stated that 59% of U.S. moms would sign up for email updates from brands if rewards were offered. It's getting more difficult to strategically climb Google's ranking algorithm. Customers coming from both paid and mechanics that are extremely valuable to your business. However, climbing the search rankings and Google is getting harder and harder for those that keep up with the latest in search engine optimization news. You probably know there are a lot of the tried and true methods the years of use in the past to gain higher keyword rankings are being devalued by Google. This has put many businesses that have used these in the famed Google penalty box, and many more businesses in a state of constant fear that they may lose their rankings in the future. This is why businesses are investing in pay-per-click ads to build their mailing list. This way, instead of just getting a potential one-time click search, they are opening the door to future communications with their target customer base where they don't have to worry about getting penalized. Email is content marketing's best friend. Content marketing is a strategic marketing activity where businesses create and distribute original content that audience finds valuable rather than paying to get in front of potential customers with traditional advertising. Businesses aim to draw attention to themselves by delivering relevant education and entertainment, which builds buzz for the brand as well as trust with the audience. That's why collecting email addresses from your visitors is so important. It gives you a way to keep in touch and follow up with your audience over time, and then shows that all the time and money you've spent on creating content results in more than just one-time visits. Email drives traffic and sales with the potential to communicate your messages to specific segments on your email list. You can use your email list to reach your customers in a wide variety of ways, such as newsletters. Provide your audience with the latest information on new products and updates. Your business trip campaigns are a collection of emails sent at strategic times to engage and educate customers over time until they purchase special occasion emails for holidays, birthdays, and other personal events. Abandon call it reminders and show customers complete the checkout process reward. Loyal customers with exclusive discounts. Re-engage customers who have not shopped in a while. Trigger a campaign to send specific emails when customers take a certain action on your website. You can engage your customers through email in much deeper ways and use it to drive traffic to your e-commerce website. Email allows you to build a relationship with your customers and potential customers. While social media and such are great ways to get discovered by future customers, email is the best way to maintain and strengthen that relationship over time. 66% of online consumers prefer to buy new products from brands that they are familiar with. This shouldn't come as a surprise to you if you do any online shopping. You're more likely to buy from the websites and brands that you're more familiar with and have formed a relationship with. Email marketing is inexpensive. To sum up, the best reason to use email marketing. It's easy, effective, and inexpensive. Email marketing allows business owners to reach a large number of consumers at a rate of pennies per message. For small business owners on a budget, this makes this a better choice than traditional marketing channels like TV, radio, or direct mail. A study from shock.org found that 85% of U.S. retailers consider email marketing one of the most effective customer acquisition tactics. Reconsider that there are 3 important things you need for a successful email marketing campaign. They are goals. Process relationship goals. As with any marketing campaign, you need to set goals to achieve results in e-commerce. Email marketing is your goal of building relationships and generating sales process. You need a successful email process that guides the customer through your funnel. Your process should come from the first time a customer visits your store to when they can buy a relationship. Invest the time to develop a trusting relationship with your customer. Email allows you to be personal. Nurture your leads and convert them to loyal customers. The point of all this is that email may be an old tactic, but it remains a vital one. It's relatively easy to get started with email marketing, so there's no excuse for business owners to not take advantage of the tactic.